5 Best Cartoon Horror Games of 2024. Cartoons combined with horror initially sound strange, as cartoon art is connected to younger audiences or children's television, while horror is usually for adult audiences. However, the combination of cartoon fascination and horror elements has become a famous alloy in the gaming industry. Gata Insider has the following 5 best cartoon horror games, representative of why the subgenre has made its way to the forefront. These games are noteworthy for their interpretive art and animation style. Omori is a horror RPG following Sunny and his alter ego Omori. The player starts in the white space, a blank landscape with a single room involving a journal, a laptop, and tissues. Once leaving, they can find the sleeping headspace and the waking faraway town. Error number 53. Error number 53 is one of the unsuspecting art styles of cartoons. Some cartoon horror games seem wholesome at first. Set in a medieval-style village, the player must speak to the king. He then tasks them with defeating Jack and his henchmen, who've been continuously crooked into the castle to steal his gold. Baldi's Basics. Baldi's Basics is a survival horror shrouded as an educational game. You must cross a school to find 7 notebooks and complete math questions while avoiding the ruler-wielding Baldi. The catch is that some equations are impossible and incorrect answers make Baldi more ambitious. BioShock. BioShock is a first-person shooter action game with an Art Deco-inspired graphic novel art style. Gamers take on the role of Jack, whose plane crash lands into the sea. After being transported to Rapture, an off-grid underwater city free from the obstacles of post-World War II society, he must launch on a quest to recover the family of his guide Atlas. Alice, Madness Returns. Book and film buffs are probably similar to Lewis Carroll's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Garnering animated and live-action film adaptations, classic story has also built its way to the horror gaming world. Alice, Madness Returns takes all the original quirky elements and converts them into a darker, twisted version of the story. If you're playing as Alice, released from Rutledge Asylum, you must cross your way through both Wonderland and reality in a try to settle Alice's childhood trauma. With freaky enemies, similar characters, and puzzle elements, this game has something for all horror fans.